Is there something wrong with your Summit washer? Don't worry. The appliance helpers are here to help. We'll be covering error codes and several troubleshooting tips to get your appliance running again in no time. For more information on how to repair your washer, check out our website. There's a link in the description. Subscribe or your washer will explode. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your Summit washer, look no further. Our comprehensive Summit washer error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code E11. Problem: water supply. Fix: check if the water pressure or water supply is low. Code E12. Problem: drainage. Fix: check the water outlet of the drainage. Adjust it and restart the machine. Code E13. Problem: water supply. Fix: ask a technician to repair it. Code E31. Problem: motor. Fix: ask a technician to repair it. Code EA3. Problem: the water level is abnormal in the drying process. Fix: check the water outlet of the drainage required and adjust it if required and restart the machine. Code EC4. Problem: the temperature of the air vent. Fix: ask a technician to repair it. Code EC5. Problem: the dry temperature sensor. Fix: ask a technician to repair it. Code U01. Problem: the door is locked. Fix: ask a technician to repair it. Code U02. Problem: the door is not locked. Fix: ask a technician to repair it. Code U03. Problem: spin lopsidedly. Fix: ask a technician to repair it. Code U04. Problem: the door is opened. Fix: close the door. Code E22. Problem: the memory function has failed. Fix: ask a technician to repair it. If you're looking for help fixing your Summit washer, look no further. Our comprehensive Summit washer troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. The washing machine cannot start up. Check if the door is closed tightly. Check if the power plug is inserted well. Check if the water supply tap is opened. Check if the button on, off is pressed. Check if the button start, pause is pressed. The door cannot be opened. The machine's safety protection design is working. Disconnect the power. Heating fault. NTC is damaged and the heating pipe is aging. Can normally wash the clothes. Only cannot wash with heating. Shall contact the service center promptly. Water leakage. The connection between the inlet pipe or outlet hose and tap or washing machine is not tight. The drain pipe in the room is blocked. Check and fasten water pipes. Clean up outlet hose and ask a specialized person to repair it when necessary. Water has overflowed from the bottom of the machine. The inlet pipe is not connected firmly. The outlet hose has water leakage. Fix the inlet pipe. Replace the drain hose. The indicator or display does not light. Power is disconnected. The PC board has problems. The harness has a connection problem. Check if the power is shut down and the power plug is connected correctly. If not, please call for professional help. Detergent residues in the box. Washing powder is dampened and agglomerated. Clean and wipe the box. Use liquid detergents or detergents special for drums. Washing effects are not good. The clothes are too dirty. Insufficient detergent quantity. Select a proper procedure. Add the proper detergent quantity according to the instructions in the detergent package. Abnormal noise, great vibration. Check if the fixing bolts have been removed. If cabinet is installed on a solid and level floor. Check if there are any barrettes or metal articles inside. Check if the legs on the washing machine are adjusted level. If you're looking for help fixing your Summit washer, look no further. Our comprehensive Summit washer repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Summit manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Summit appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. If your unit is unresponsive, combo washer dryer unit. Check to see if the unit is plugged in or not. Oftentimes, the simplest step is also the most neglected one. If the unit is plugged in and still seems to be unresponsive, press the power button. If it's still not working, call a tech to come and service the unit. If your unit shakes excessively, double-check that you removed the shipping bolts from the back of the unit. Instructions on how to do this should be listed in the product manual. The load is unbalanced. Make sure to separate fabrics by similarity when dividing up your loads. An imbalance in the fabrics within the drum tends to make it shake more than usual. Make certain the unit is placed on a level surface and that all 4 feet of the unit are making full contact with the floor. If your clothes come out wrinkly, make sure your load is large enough to fill the drum to 2/3 of its capacity. If it's not full enough, it will toss your clothing around more than it should and causes the unit to extract too much water from the load during the final spin cycle in the washing process. If your clothes feel wet after the dry cycle, because combination washer dryers use condensation drying, it will seem as though everything is still damp when you initially reach inside the drum to remove your load. Actually, take your items out one by one when removing them from the humidity of the dryer. If they don't feel dry within 10 to 15 seconds, then place them back inside the unit to continue the drying cycle. Using the self-cleaning feature. If your unit has a self-cleaning feature, you should use the feature once every 6 months to avoid soapy residue and build up within the unit. Motor control board. The motor control board provides power to the motor. If the motor control board is defective, the washer may not function properly or may not work at all. First, check the control board for burned out components. To determine if the motor control board is defective, ensure that the control board is providing power to the motor. If the control board has power but is not providing power to the motor, replace it. Door lock motor and switch assembly. The door latch secures the washer door shut during operation. Once the washer door is closed, the washer can begin operating. If the washer door is not latched shut, the door switch will prevent the washer from operating. If the door latch is defective, the washer will not spin or start. The door latch can fail either mechanically or electrically. Inspect the door latch for damage. If the door latch is damaged or does not close properly, replace it. To determine if the door latch has failed electrically, consult your washer's wiring diagram and use a multimeter to test any switches on the door latch for continuity. If one of the switches does not have continuity, replace the switch. Door latch. The door latch secures the washer door shut during operation. Once the washer door is shut, the washer can begin operating. If the washer door is not latched shut, the door switch will prevent the washer from operating. If the door latch is defective, the washer will not spin or start. The door latch can fail either mechanically or electrically. Inspect the door latch for damage. If the door latch is damaged or does not close properly, replace it. To determine if the door latch has failed electrically, use a multimeter to test any switches on the door latch for continuity. If one of the switches does not have continuity when activated, replace the switch. Motor coupling. The motor coupling connects the motor to the washing machine transmission. If the washer is overloaded, the motor coupling will fail in order to protect both the motor and transmission. The motor coupling can also fail due to normal wear. Inspect the motor coupling to determine if it is broken. If the motor coupling is broken, replace it. Clutch. The clutch assembly makes the connection between the transmission and the inner tub. It helps the tub to gradually get up to the proper spin speed. If the clutch is worn out, it may prevent the tub from spinning. The clutch is not repairable. If the clutch is worn out, replace it. Lid switch assembly. The lid switch assembly prevents the washer from spinning when the lid is open. If the lid switch assembly fails, the washer will not spin. To determine if the lid switch assembly is defective, use a multimeter to test the lid switch for continuity. If the lid switch does not have continuity, replace it. Drive belt. Inspect the drive belt to determine if it is broken or if it is loose on the pulleys. If the drive belt is broken or loose, replace it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more repair guides.